Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
This video explains how to attach Apple Airtags securely and safely for everyday use. AirTag is a small Bluetooth tracker that uses the Find My network and requires an iPhone to register. Treat the AirTag like any electronic device and protect it from moisture and impact. Keep AirTag away from water exposure unless it is in a water-resistant case. Avoid covering the speaker and place AirTag where NFC and Bluetooth signals are unobstructed. Follow mounting options and removal tips for optimal performance. Start with removable options that preserve the AirTag and the host item. Use a key ring or loop case to attach AirTag to keys or zippers without adhesives. Attach with a silicone loop case when you need quick removal and everyday protection. Use 3M adhesive strips for temporary bonding to flat surfaces and remove residue using isopropyl alcohol. For fabrics, clip AirTag into a zipper pull or slip it into a luggage sleeve that exposes the speaker for proper signal. For permanent installs, choose adhesives and fasteners compatible with your surface and the AirTag. Use 2-part epoxy for permanent mounts on metal, applying 24-hour cure time for full strength. Avoid drilling into AirTag. Instead, mount the holder and secure with M3 screws or zip ties, and do not compress the speaker. When mounting in a vehicle or bike, place AirTag where it is hidden yet network signals remain strong. Register the AirTag in Find My and name it before final attachment and concealment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.